Amazon's Prime Day is back again with big deals with major discounts across a wide range of tech, apparel, and accessories. From top-rated TVs and portable chargers to the latest iPhone and MacBook models, this sale offers incredible savings on premium products. Whether you're upgrading your home entertainment system, looking for stylish wardrobe staples, or grabbing must-have gadgets, now is the perfect time to shop and save. With prices slashed up to 90% on select items, you'll find unbeatable deals that fit every budget. Here's a roundup of the best offers available during the sale. All product links are provided in the description. Number 26. Mreg Portable Solar Power Bank was $299, now $32. Embrace eco-friendly charging with the Mreg Portable Solar Power Bank. This rugged charger boasts a massive 42,800 mAh battery and an integrated solar panel, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. While not the fastest charger, its ability to recharge using only sunlight makes it an invaluable companion for extended off-grid adventures. Number 25. Samsung T9 Portable SSD 4TB was $549, now $299. Experience lightning-fast data transfer with Samsung's T9 Portable SSD. This compact 4TB drive features a rugged exterior and supports USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, delivering transfer speeds up to 2,000 megabytes per second. Number 24. Apple Watch 10 was $399, now $385. Upgrade your wrist tech with the Apple Watch 10. This latest iteration features a thinner, lighter design, faster charging, and FDA-authorized sleep apnea detection. With 30% more screen area, rounded corners, and a wide-angle OLED display, it offers an enhanced user experience. Available in 42mm and 46mm sizes. Number 23. Levi's Women's 501 Original Fit Jeans was $79, now from $69. Revamp your denim collection with Levi's Women's 501 Original Fit Jeans. These iconic jeans are available in various styles, colors, and plus sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every body type. The unique Field Notes color even features a charming heart-shaped patch on the knee, adding a touch of whimsy to this classic design. Number 22. Amazon 4 Series 55-inch Fire 4K TV was $519, now $379. Upgrade your home entertainment with the Amazon 4 Series 55-inch Fire 4K TV. This affordable smart TV offers HDR support, HDR10/HLG, and seamless Alexa integration via the remote control. Number 21. Vizio 50-inch NQX QLED 4K TV was $629, now $499. Experience top-tier gaming and viewing with the Vizio 50-inch NQX QLED 4K TV. This budget-friendly powerhouse supports 4K/120Hz for consoles and even offers a 1080p/240Hz mode for PC gaming. With HDR10, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, and HLG support, plus a user-friendly smart TV platform. Number 20. TCL 75-inch Q6 4K QLED TV was $799, now $599. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the TCL 75-inch Q6 4K QLED TV. This mid-tier TV boasts Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, HDR10, and HLG support, alongside DTS Virtual X Audio for an enhanced viewing experience. With built-in Chromecast and voice assistant compatibility, it offers both performance and convenience at an affordable price point. Number 19. Hisense 75-inch U6 HF Series ULED 4K TV was $647, now $599. Enhance your viewing experience with the Hisense 75-inch U6 HF Series ULED 4K TV. This budget-friendly model supports Dolby Vision, HDR, HDR10, and HDR10 Plus, ensuring vibrant and lifelike images. With Amazon's Fire TV built-in and Alexa voice controls, it offers seamless streaming and smart home integration. Its HDMI 2.1 support also makes it a solid choice for casual gamers. Number 18. LG 42-inch C4 4K OLED TV was $1,499, now $946. Elevate your entertainment setup with LG's C4 4K OLED TV. Powered by LG's A9 processor, this flagship model features a 120Hz panel, Dolby Vision/HDR10/HLG support, and built-in Amazon Alexa. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports and the ability to accept 144Hz input from a PC. Number 17. Samsung 55-inch S95C 4K OLED TV was $2,197, now $1,597. Experience next-gen viewing with Samsung's S95C 4K OLED TV. This QD-OLED TV offers enhanced brightness and a slimmer profile compared to its predecessor. With a 144Hz refresh rate, one Connect box for easy cable management, and support for various HDR formats, it delivers stellar performance for movies and games alike. Number 16. Panasonic 65-inch Z95 4K OLED TV was $3,199, now $2,999. Immerse yourself in cutting-edge technology with Panasonic's Z95 4K OLED TV. Built on LG Display's second-gen MLA panel, it offers exceptional brightness and vibrant colors. Number 15. iPhone 16. For 1 cent plus $65 per month with unlimited. Experience the future of smartphones with the iPhone 16. Available through Amazon's Boost Infinite plan, this latest Apple offering combines cutting-edge technology with a flexible ownership model. For $65 per month, enjoy unlimited talk, text, and 5G data, plus the option to upgrade to the newest iPhone after 12 consecutive payments. Number 14. Panasonic 65-inch Z85 4K OLED TV was $1,799, now $1,699. Experience stunning visuals with Panasonic's Z85 4K OLED TV. Powered by the HCX Pro AI processor MKI, this TV supports multiple HDR formats and Dolby Atmos audio. Number 13. 10.2-inch iPad 64 GB was $329, now $199. Enhance your digital life with the 10.2-inch iPad. Powered by Apple's A13 Bionic CPU, this versatile tablet features a 12MP front camera and 64 GB of storage. The center stage feature uses machine learning to adjust the front-facing camera during FaceTime calls. Number 12. 11-inch iPad Air 128 GB was $599, now $549. Unleash your creativity with the 2024 iPad Air. Featuring Apple's powerful M2 processor and an 11-inch LED display, 2360 by 1640. This tablet offers impressive performance in a sleek package. Number 11. MacBook Air 13M 256 GB was $1,099, now $799. Experience unparalleled portability and performance with the MacBook Air M2. This remarkably thin and light laptop boasts a 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display, powered by Apple's M2 CPU with an 8-core GPU. Number 10. MacBook Air 13M3 was $1,099, now $899. Embrace the future of computing with the MacBook Air 13 M3. Powered by Apple's latest M3 silicon, this laptop offers exceptional performance, supporting up to 2 external displays when closed. Number 9. MacBook Air 15 256 GB was $1,299, now $1,099. Experience power and portability in perfect harmony with the MacBook Air 15, boasting a larger 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display and Apple's M3 chip with a 10-core GPU. Number 8. Keurig K Mini was $99, now $59. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with the Keurig K Mini. This compact coffee maker is perfect for small spaces, delivering a delicious cup of joe at the press of a button. Capable of brewing 6 to 12 ounces, it's available in various stylish colors to match any kitchen decor. Number 7. Ninja XL 14 Cup Coffee Maker. Was $99, now $79. Elevate your coffee experience with the Ninja XL 14 Cup Coffee Maker. Featuring a removable 70-ounce water reservoir and an adjustable warming plate, it keeps your coffee hot for up to 4 hours. Choose between classic or rich brew settings and program it up to 24 hours in advance for wake-up-ready coffee. Number 6. Shark 3-in-1 Air Purifier. Was $399, now $249. Transform your living space with the Shark 3-in-1 Air Purifier. This multifunctional device combines an air purifier, space heater, and fan in one sleek unit. Its anti-allergen HEPA filter effectively tackles various air contaminants, while the powerful fan offers 4 purification speeds. Number 5. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart. Was $459, now $379. Unleash your culinary creativity with the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer. This versatile kitchen powerhouse beats, whisks, and kneads at 10 different speeds, significantly reducing recipe preparation times. Number 4. EcoSpot 2024. Was $99, now $79. Introduce smart convenience to your bedside with the EcoSpot 2024. This compact device combines the best features of the Echo Dot and Echo Show, featuring a small LCD display for time, weather, and smart home controls. While it lacks a camera, it offers a perfect balance of functionality and simplicity. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell with Echo Show 5. Was $189, now $149. Enhance your home security with the Ring Video Doorbell and Echo Show 5 bundle. This powerful combination allows you to see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere. The Ring Video Doorbell provides clear video and two-way audio. Number 2. iRobot Roomba i4 EVO. Was $399, now $266. The iRobot Roomba i4 EVO makes cleaning effortless by automatically detecting and focusing on high-traffic areas in your home. Its intelligent navigation and powerful suction ensure thorough cleaning with minimal effort. It's ideal for everyone that enjoys comfort and efficiency. Number 1. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Was $599, now $329. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum offers powerful suction, matrix clean technology, and a 60-day self-emptying bin. It combines advanced features with voice control, making home cleaning easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.